Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bolaji James and you are watching Okubi Media Network. In this new series, I'm going to be showing you how to create stunning websites, amazing websites without writing any line of code using WordPress, the #1 content management system. So if that seems like what you like to watch, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you, because the videos are going to be in parts. It's going to be in part 1, part 2, I don't know till when I'm able to cover everything that is necessary. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell. Without wasting more time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so in this first part of the video, we're going to start with the basics, where I'll be explaining how to install WordPress on your domain. So if you have gotten a domain, the next thing is for you to install WordPress on that domain. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm not going to go through how to get domain and hosting because I have much of those videos on the channel already, so you can go through the channel and see. So now let's go. We need to scroll down through this place. This is the control panel. Like I said earlier, once you are able to get your domain name and hosting, you should have a C panel. So we're going to scroll down through this place. We have different segments, the different segments that we have from there. If you go from the top, you say the tools, the files, the domain, the database, and so on and so forth. So we're going to move down. We can see under if you scroll down, okay, so we can see under software, we can see WordPress Manager by WordPress, but we're not going to use that for now. So you can still move down until we get to where we have Softaculous, that is Softaculous app installer. So we can see all the content management and other software that we can install. So I'm just going to click on WordPress, which is the one we want to use here. So we click on WordPress, and this will bring out this interface. You simply click on install. Alright, so once we click on install, we'll need to scroll down here, and we'll be able to do some settings here. So the first thing we need to do on this setting is to select the protocol, which is HTTPS. Please make sure you always pick either HTTPS or HTTPS www. The first two should not be picked, because if you pick them, your site will have no security. Okay, so make sure you pick either of those two. So I'm going to pick HTTPS. Then here I'm going to select the domain I want to use. You as a beginner, you are most likely going to have just one domain in your list or on your hosting package. So but because I have more, I'm going to select the one that I want. So I'm using this, and of course in this place here, you click and wipe out what you have there. This WP needs to be removed. Please always make sure you do that. So once you do that, then you can scroll down. Just click and scroll down, and then once you click and hold down and scroll down, then down here we need to set the name of our website. We give our website a name. So for this one, let's see, what am I going to use? Okay, let's say this is Okubi Media. Let's say this is a company website we are designing. So I can just type in Okubi Media into this this place here. Alright, so we type in that. Okay, now let's scroll back up. This is happening because the page was still loading when I started typing. So when it finished loading, it's bringing out this. We go back up and then just click on install, and Okay, click on install, and then we can see what we were doing is there. So we just scroll down, go to where we stopped, and of course continue from there. So here we're going to give a description to the website, just a description of what the website is all about. So in this case now, let me think of something to use. Okay, so let's say I learn WordPress for free. This is something I've used here before. Then in the admin area here, there is something I always like to tell you. This admin, make sure you always change it. When it's left at admin, it's easy for hackers to hack into your website because they can easily guess. They know that admin is the default username. So always clear it, and of course enter your own username. So I can type in anything, maybe like let's say Uncle B. I can type Uncle B or Uncle-B, or anything that is unique to you, your normal username that you would like to give to the website. So then you can hide. Let me hide this. I'm going to hide this, then I'm going to clear what we have here and type in my own password. So always create a very good password, a strong password that cannot easily be guessed by hackers or anyone trying to hack your website. So clear this, and of course type in your own password. Okay, so once we've done that, the next thing is just for us to scroll down to the bottom of the page where we see install. There's no other setting to do there, so we just click on install here and scroll back up. As we can see, it's already loading, and normally this should take less than 30 seconds except your network is slow. So let's wait for it to load, and once it's load up to 100%, then okay, so it's successful. Congratulations, WordPress has been successfully installed at this domain name. So if we look at it, we have two different URL given to us. The first one is referred to as the front end, while the second one is the back end. So we're going to open the two of them and let's see how they look like. Let's see the way the front end looks like, which is what the word will be seen. Anyone that you have given your URL now can now see something on your website that you've at least you've started building. So we right click on this and see how that looks. At the same time, I'm going to open the second one as well and see how it looks like, so we can see there. So that to this extent, if you have followed to this extent, at least you've been able to build your first website. You've been able to put something online. So it means you are progressing. I want to say congratulations to you. This is where we're going to stop this first one, and next video then we continue from there. So let's just wait for this to load. It seems my network is a bit slow, so let's wait for this to load so I will see the front end and of course the back end of the website. Okay, so here it is. So this is the back end. This is the back end. The front end has loaded already. So the back end, this is how it is. Welcome to WordPress. We just dismiss this, and of course, before I round up for this, there is something I normally do here under this screen option here. So this is just me personally. I don't like to leave this front. All these options are on the screen. I see them as a distraction, so normally I will always remove them by just clicking on this screen option and mark out all these options that we have there. So I'm leaving the site health. I normally leave the site health so that I can always see my site health from the dashboard to see if there's anything wrong with the site that needs to be fixed. Alright, so thanks for watching, and this is where we draw the curtain on this first episode of this series. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when the next video drops. Alright, bye for now.